Good afternoon, everybody. Dr. Ray back in the garden, and as you've been following us at the California Spring Trials, what gardens we have seen. I'm at the fabulous breeder called Green Fuse, and the fabulous person who is Green Fuse is Steve Jones. And Steve has done more for this industry than, a ton of people, but I love working with Steve. And Steve, you are very much involved in this Firefly Petunia project. And we saw it again this year. It's really cool. There are some things that had to be done. So why don't you inform us, let us know what is going on with this project.
Alan, the first thing that we wanted to do was the original Firefly, which we released this over the last 18 months, was bred about over 15 years ago. Yeah. So that means that the Petunia that was used to carry the Bioluminescence is a 15-year-old Petunia. So there was a real need to bring things up and improve on the chassis that we were using, basically to get more of a hot ride out of the thing. So what we did is we've been making crosses with my partner Jim Devereaux here, and we've come up with some really killer contemporary petunias that have the same attribute of bioluminescence as the OG, we call it, Firefly.
So the bioluminescence is really cool, but the fact is we're going to be looking at these petunias during the day most of the time. So an improvement in form like this, Steve, this obviously makes sense. I love that. And this one's kind of cool.
And what we see is we will have the ability basically to have a complete series of colors. Now, when you see them at night, you're only going to see white because you're seeing the color with your rods, which sees black and white. But in the daytime, you could have a nice bed of whatever color you want to. And
absolutely. So tell me, what is anything happening that we should know about with making the glow a little glowier?
Well, the glow is actually a function of it's a translocation at the fastest growing point in the plant. Okay.
Okay.
So the more growing points or the more surface area you have, the brighter the plant. A plant like this has a lot more surface area than the OG.
Yes.
And although the luminescence might not be more, cumulatively it appears to be more.
So the more buds, the more vigor.
Yeah.
And probably the more glow.
Yes.
Yeah. Cool. Well, thanks, Steve. This is really good. I got old eyes, apparently. It takes me forever to see this glow. So hopefully I'm going to be seeing this really quickly soon.
Well,
thank you.
Thank you.